Step 2, fold your sleeve in half with right sides together, and you are going to stitch the underarm seam. You stitch that with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, and then you will finish the edge. So I'm using an overlock, but you can use a zigzag stitch on your home sewing machine, or if your home sewing machine has an overcast stitch, you can choose one of those options. You need to make sure that when you are stitching your 2 sleeves that you have mirror images, because you have a front, which is, you need to mark the notch. It's a single notch on the pattern, and then the back has a double notch. So you need to make sure that you're going to have a left and a right sleeve. After you stitch the underarm seam, you will hem the bottom. So your pattern allows 1 inch for your hem allowance, so you fold it up twice. Here you can see that I'm folding up a 1/2 inch, press, and a 1/2 inch again and press it. And then you can pin this edge down and you stitch. Here you can see my stitching. You're stitching close to the edge. I've left a section open so I can show you. But here you can see my edge stitching of my hem. After you do that, you are going to turn your sleeves right side out to prepare for step 3 and press everything. You want to press this underarm seam that goes towards the back of the sleeve, and you press this whole hem before you move on to step 3.